In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur and pixelate a license plate in Photoshop quickly, cleanly, and safely, so your image looks professional while protecting private information. This is a super useful skill if you're posting car photos online, making thumbnails, or sharing images where you need to hide a plate without ruining the rest of the picture. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is duplicate your image layer. This is important because you never want to edit your original photo directly when you're doing permanent changes like blurring or pixelating. In the Layers panel, which you'll usually find on the bottom right, click on your photo layer, then press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to make a duplicate copy. You should now work on that top layer only, leaving the original underneath untouched just in case you need to go back later. Now that your duplicate layer is ready, the next step is to select the license plate. Go over to the toolbar on the left side and choose the rectangular marquee tool, which you can also get with the M key. With that tool active, click and drag a tight selection box around the license plate numbers and the letters. Try to keep the selection as close to the plate as possible so you don't affect the surrounding bumper or bodywork any more than necessary. If you want the edit to blend in a little more naturally, you can add a slight feather to the selection. With the selection still active, press Shift plus F6. When the feather dialog box appears, type in 2 pixels and click OK. That tiny bit of feathering softens the edge of the effect so it doesn't look like a harsh square cutout sitting on top of the image. This is optional, but it can make the final result look cleaner and more polished. At this point, you've got 2 good privacy effects you can use, and both are industry standard depending on the style you want. If you want a clean blur, go up to the top menu and choose Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. A radius slider will appear. Move it to the right until the text on the plate becomes completely unreadable. Depending on the resolution of your photo, this is usually somewhere around 10 to 20 pixels, but you may need a little more or less. The goal is simple. The characters should smear together enough that nobody can read the plate. Once it looks right, click OK. If you prefer a more blocky censored look, you can use Pixelation instead. Go to Filter, then Pixelate, then Mosaic. This effect turns the plate into square blocks, which is great if you want a more obvious privacy mask. Adjust the cell size slider to the right to make the blocks larger. Keep increasing it until the characters disappear into solid squares and the plate can no longer be read. When you're happy with the look, click OK. No matter which method you choose, the final step is to lock it in and clear the selection. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to remove the marching ants around the license plate. And just like that, your license plate is now safely censored. The great thing about this method is that it only takes a few seconds once you get used to it, and you can use it on social media posts, car listings, thumbnails, or any image where privacy matters. If you want the most natural look, the blur method is usually best. If you want a stronger visual sensor effect, the Mosaic Pixelate method works perfectly. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.